need to put out content. What I've been doing is like figuring out what these people are reading. So, well, I'll bring something else up, because I have been really bad about doing content, and I haven't needed to do it I haven't felt that I have, because I've had all this good inbound business and everything's going well. But I have a new strategy, so I need to put out content. What I've been doing is like figuring out what these people are reading. Like who are they reading, who are they following, what are they interested in, and what content can I put out that that's going to immediately get in their space, which makes sense to me. And then parsing the content, like you said, I mean, you have to do that. Like why would you do a piece when there's so many channels and not like parse it into like different media and different channels? It just makes complete sense.